Hi, I'm Holly Joe. I'm the product manager over respiratory protection. In the next few minutes, we are going to discuss what a clean air box is and how this product can help you. OSHA requires that employers provide their workers with grade D breathing air. Bullard Clean Air Boxes provide 3-stage filtration and carbon monoxide monitoring to help meet this requirement. To begin using this clean air box, they must first connect a V20 hose, which is 1/2 inch, to their compressor and then to the clean air box. You also must make sure that the pressure is set specifically on the compressor to make sure you're getting enough pressure in your cab to go to your respirator. The air then flows through the 3-stage filtration process, which removes particulates, odors, moistures, and vapors. After the filtration process, the air flows through the CO monitor to make sure there's less than 10 ppm carbon monoxide in the air. The regulator is then adjusted to make sure you have the appropriate pressure for the respirator that is required in the user manual. You will see in the next 2 videos how to change the sensor and replace the filters. It is extremely important to make sure clean air boxes are maintained and serviced on a regular basis. This includes changing the filters and replacing the sensors after 2 years, and also storing the product in a safe and clean location. These boxes also come in many different sizes to meet your respirator needs. You can find these needs in the user manuals and how many different end users will be wearing respirators. Thank you for watching.